Today we'll learn cool words with the alphabet letter E and put together easy sentences. Let's get excited about learning. Elephant. Elephant. The elephant is huge. Elephant. Elephant. Egg. Egg. The egg is white. Egg. Egg. Eagle. Eagle. The eagle flies high. Eagle. Eagle. Year. Year. The ear hears. Year. Year. Earth. Earth. The earth is round. Earth. Earth. Envelope. Envelope. The envelope was closed. Envelope. Envelope. Engine. Engine. The engine roars. Engine. Engine. Elbow. Elbow. The elbow bends. Elbow. Elbow. Eye. Eye. The eye sees. Eye. Eye. Eraser. Eraser. The eraser erases. Eraser. Eraser. Repeat with me the words that you learned today. Elephant, egg, eagle, ear, earth, envelope, engine, elbow, eye, eraser. See you in the next video with words starting with F.